Hi everyone, and welcome to BIM 360 Glue. Today in this video we're going to cover setting up a project in BIM 360 Glue. On your screen you see the BIM 360 Glue dashboard. It has all of the projects that have been set up for a certain host in Glue. Each project looks like a business card. You can see this rectangle. This is the example project we're going to set up today. To enter the project, I simply click on the business card on the title, and I'm in the project. Currently there are no merged models or models in this project, and that's typical when you start. So the first step is to bring a model in from the native modeling software. In today's case, Revit. So we will flip over to Revit. Here in Revit we have a source file. This is the structural model that we need to get to Glue. The first step is to be in a 3D view, as you see here, and I like to name the view or rename the view to make sure it's a name that makes sense and is recognizable in Glue. So this is structural. After that, I need to make sure that I have the BIM 360 Glue add-in for Revit. If I have that installed correctly, under my Add-ins tab, I will have the BIM 360 Glue rollout. With this tool set, I click on the Glue button. I need to make sure I'm in the correct host, and select the correct project. So for today this will be our example project. Then this step I need to select the correct view to post to Glue. So this is going to be the 3D structural view that I have here on screen. This step is important. You don't want to select a two-dimensional view such as a plan or section. You want a 3D view, and one that has the correct title so that it's recognizable in Glue. That should be our only checkbox. Then we'll say Next, and we will submit this project to this Revit project to the Glue example project. So I will say Glue it. As it glues, I get an uploading window that lets me know it's headed to Glue, and it will let me know when it's uploaded. Let's go over to Glue and check the progress. So here in Glue, if I click on the Models button, it will refresh, and I can start to see the progress. Here's a 3D structural model, and explains that it is gluing. If I click back on my projects, I can see the progress. Once this icon switches from Model is gluing to seeing the actual model, I know that I'm set and the project is glued. So there it is. Now to add the rest of the models, I can go back to Revit. It lets me know the project is glued. And I can repeat this. So this is what the structural engineer would post. And if I switch over to the other models, such as MEP, I can repeat the same process. Make sure the name is correct. And then I go over to Add-ins, and I click on Glue. And I want to have the correct view, so the 3D MEP. Nothing else is checked. And I click Glue it. It's going to upload and send that model to Glue. And I can repeat these steps for the architectural model as well. And at the end of the day, I will have all three of my models, architectural, structural, and mechanical, uploaded into Glue. Come back and check the progress. Here's the MEP model uploading structural, and then we'll add architectural.